Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Shopify theme editor if it's loading very slowly, freezing, or getting stuck while you're trying to customize your store. This can happen for several reasons, including browser issues, theme-related problems, or conflicts with apps. The good news is, in most cases, you can resolve it with just a few simple checks. Let's get started. The first thing to try is refreshing your browser environment. Open your Shopify admin in an incognito or private browsing window, and then open the theme editor again. If it works normally there, the issue is likely caused by your browser cache or an extension. You can clear your browser cache, temporarily disable browser extensions such as ad blockers or shopping assistants, and then reload the theme editor. Also, make sure you're using a supported browser like the latest version of Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Safari, or Firefox. If the problem continues, the next step is to check your theme. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. If you have another theme installed, even an unpublished one like Dawn, open the theme editor for that theme. If the second theme loads normally, the issue is probably related to your current theme rather than Shopify itself. If you're using a heavily customized theme, recent code edits or installed apps may be affecting the editor. If you recently modified your theme files or added new app blocks, try removing the most recent changes or restoring a backup version of your theme. Small code errors can sometimes prevent parts of the editor from loading correctly. Another thing to check is the number of apps connected to your theme. Some apps inject scripts into your storefront or theme editor, which can increase loading time. If you recently installed a theme customization app, page builder, or product options app, temporarily disable it and test the theme editor again. If the editor becomes responsive after disabling the app, you've likely identified the source of the problem. It's also worth checking your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can make the theme editor appear frozen while it's actually waiting for assets to load. Try switching to another network or using a wired connection if possible. Then reopen the editor and see if performance improves. If your theme contains a large number of high-resolution images, videos, or complex sections on the homepage, the editor may take longer to load those resources. Consider optimizing oversized images and removing unused sections that are no longer needed. A lighter homepage often improves both editor performance and storefront speed. You should also keep your theme updated. Theme developers regularly release updates that fix bugs and improve compatibility with Shopify's latest features. If an update is available for your theme, review the changes and update when appropriate. Just remember to back up your current theme before applying any updates. If none of these steps solve the problem, visit the Shopify status page to check whether Shopify is experiencing any platform-wide issues. Occasionally, temporary service interruptions can affect the theme editor, and waiting until the issue is resolved may be all that's needed. Finally, if the theme editor still freezes after trying these troubleshooting steps, contact Shopify support. Let them know which theme you're using, what browser you're using, and when the issue started. Including screenshots or screen recordings can also help them diagnose the problem quicker. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix a Shopify theme editor that's loading slowly or freezing. In most cases, checking your browser, testing another theme, reviewing recent changes, and disabling problematic apps will get everything working again. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.